How to join private Telegram channel without link. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can join private channel without the invite link on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is make sure that you have the Telegram app and make sure that it is updated to its latest version. After that, what you can do is you can simply open up your Telegram first. And after you're on your Telegram, then simply tap on your search bar and search for any channels that you want. Now on the channel section, you can find different channels as well. So here, you'll simply need to search for the channel that you want to join. So let me just search for one and just tap on one. And if you want to join it, tap on the join button down below and you've just joined this channel. And that's how simple it is, guys. That is how you can join a Telegram private channel without the invite link. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.